Hello guys, today I will show you how to make easy custom image to frame in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the upload. I have an image, so I will add it and make it size full. Next, go to Edit Image and Effects, or click on Background Remove, and this will remove the background from your image. Then go to the Share option and click on Download, turn on the Transparent option, and click on the Download button to download it. And you need to reduce the size of the image. Next, go to Apps and search for Image to Frame, then open the first image. After that, click on the Choose File option, select the image we downloaded, and open it. Then, click on Add to Frame Design to add a frame to the image. You will see that this image frame matches the other image exactly, and you need to increase the size of the frame. So, I moved the image and added the frame, and it has been added. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.